Hello everyone, I'm Avnash. I'm back with few more job updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for more regular updates related to jobs and internships. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an important update. So let's start the video. JPMorgan Chase & Co is hiring for software engineer Java developer. Location is Mumbai and you must require bachelor's degree. Graduation year is not mentioned, so freshers to experienced candidate can try their luck. Second update is from HPE, hiring for system and software engineer for Windows development. Location is Bangalore, and these are the job description. Jobs and responsibilities: design, develop, maintenance and test solution for MS Server OS and HP branded medias, bring necessary process change to improve productivity and quality using automation. Required skills: strong analytics and problem solving, experience in Microsoft Windows system administration, and so on. So basically it looks like it's for experienced candidate. If you are eligible, then go and apply. Third update is from MPL, hiring for SDE II. Location is Bangalore, and these are the responsibilities. Requirements: thorough understanding of highly distributed, low latency and high throughput systems, knowledge of globally distributed disaster recovery enabled architecture, and so on. So this is also looks like for experienced candidate. Fourth update is from Smart Reach, is hiring for software developer engineer SD1 remote. It's remote and full time. These are the other details. So go and apply. Uh, this is also for freshers. If you are a fresher, graduated within last 18 months, and if you are in final year, you can apply. So freshers too, 22 batch pass out can apply for this role. Next update is from PayPal. PayPal is hiring for data analyst second. Location is Bangalore, and requirements are that proficiency in SQL and Excel, proficiency in at least one statistical analysis tool, SAS, R, Python, Hadoop. So go and apply for this role also. Next update is from Apple. Apple is hiring for QA engineer. Location is Hyderabad, and key qualification: 1 to 2 years of combined work experience in software development, quality engineering, experience in developing test strategies, scenarios and cases for UI, and so on. And the next update is from software engineer. It's for 22 graduates. Location, sorry, it's full time, and location is New York metropolitan area. These are the other C++ or C sharp programming experience, degree in computer science, and so on. Last update is from Solera. It's hiring for associate software engineer first. Location is Bangalore, and other details are not mentioned. So freshers to experienced candidate can try their luck. All the links will be in the description. Go and apply, and if you have any doubt, then comment on the video. Also follow our LinkedIn page. Let me open my LinkedIn page. We share job updates regularly, so go and follow this also. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more regular updates related to jobs and internships and for any other resources. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.